Alright, for those who are looking for information as far as the Forex market goes, understand it is a free opportunity up front, just to throw that out. Most people who jump in think that there is this huge investment that you need to throw in, and you're required to have a lot of money, like thousands of dollars, just to invest into it. But I want to debunk that immediately. Understand that with most brokers, you can minimally jump in with like 50 bucks. There were some out there you can jump in with like 10 bucks and you can trade with that. So, and a smart trader honestly would actually try to learn to invest from a low amount of money first anyways. Or honestly, you can practice on a demo account. So you can, as soon as you jump in to start your learning process, practice on a demo account so you don't have to risk any money at all. You can focus on your education, but at the same time, understand what you're getting involved with as far as the Forex markets go. So that's my biggest tip there. As far as the Forex market goes, it is a currency exchange market. So as you're looking here, you can see I'm trading opportunities like gold. You can trade the US dollar versus the Swiss. You can trade British pound versus the US dollar, euro versus the US dollar. You can go through more foreign different pairs like that. You can go with commodities like oil, gold, trade crypto with certain ones, and stocks with certain brokers as well. So it just depends who you're going through. You just have to shop through your brokers to see what they offer. And understand at the same time, when you throw money in, it's not necessarily like you're investing all of it. Like, let me give an example. You say you have like 50 bucks in the account. You can actually manage how much you want to actually risk depending on the lot sizes that you actually go through. So you want to go through like a penny per pip, up to 5 cents, $1 per pip, depending on how much money you have in your account. You can actually go for these sizes. But if you're brand new to Forex, I would still recommend starting from a demo account. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just something that experience that I would just pass on just for someone that's actually new. But I'm not a financial advisor, so trade at your own risk. But at the same time, for example, on this trade right here, I have it set up for a buy. Actually, I have this one right here, and at the same time, you can actually tell that there's 23.84 right there and 55.04 at that point. If I were to make that my target, if I were to lose at this part, I'm already in profit for $24. If it came back on me, I could go negative like 13 to set a stop loss if I wanted to. I can go further and set it for 28, for example. So it's only going to stop there. It's not going to continue on and wipe out my entire account, depending on what your lot size is. This is a 4 cent, but at the same time, it's like I will put my stop loss right there. That's like a 30 pip stop loss, and my reward is actually bigger than what the loss would be. So I'm looking at more into the reward than anything. I'm not like just totally focused on trying to invest my entire account at the same time. But you can trade what you see for the moment, and then focus on that trade and trade the next day or the next week or next month. You trade the best opportunities that you actually see. You don't have to like trade everything on the market. But I would only risk money if I have more certainty based on the education that I've actually put into it. My trading analysis, I should say. And at the same time, I will actually say, learn from your mistakes. I mean, see what you can change, what aren't you doing. Figure out your issues with your trading. And in terms of trading, I would say don't think of everything in terms of money. Think of it in terms of pips. If you focus more on pips, you will honestly give yourself more opportunities. So I would say aim for like 10, 20, 50 pips a day if you wanted to. You can trade for a certain amount of pips for the week if you swing like that. It depends if you're going for the day, for the week, or if you're just going for like year-long swings, whatever you're actually trying to do. It depends on your whole trading strategy and the opportunity that you see for yourself. Like I said, but at the same time, another deal? I want you to understand that losses do happen in the market. You're not always going to have a win, but you can minimize those losses. That way you can consistently profit, you're consistently growing your account, and you don't feel bad about it because you're in a consistent growth mode. If you can actually put yourself in a position to actually see consistent growth, don't stop there. Learn from your mistake, keep it moving, and focus on what you've been doing before. And at the same time, you want to find a good broker that actually matches what you're actually trying to do. So if you're going to start out new, you want to trade micros, you can do that. You want to trade minis, you can do that. But find the broker that matches what you're actually trying to trade. But yeah, Forex trading is overall, I won't say the easiest, but it is a journey. And there is a lot of education that's involved with this opportunity. So, like I said earlier, focus on that education. If you can, get a mentor. If you can get some sort of trading series and make sure this person is legit, if you can, go for it. As far as strategies go, there's a variety of strategies. It depends on what you're actually trying to do. Are you going for long-term, short-term, swing-term, medium-term? Depends on what you're actually trying to do. But I do have different types of strategies on my page if you want to check them out. I'll put the links in the description as well. That way you can check out those videos if you like. So, if you enjoyed this video, felt like it was helpful, or have any more questions that you would like me to bring up, feel free to comment below in the description, and I will answer any questions that you may have. And feel free to subscribe and check out my channel. Have a good one.